Should you claim Social Security as soon as you're eligible at 62? Or should you wait until full retirement age or even 70? It's one of the biggest decisions retirees face. And the truth is, there is no single right answer. Claiming early means you get checks sooner, but smaller ones. Waiting means bigger checks later, but you need to bridge the gap in the meantime. Today, I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of claiming early versus waiting so you can make a confident, informed choice. Here's the quick overview. You can start benefits as early as age 62. Your full retirement age, or FRA, depends on when you were born. For most people watching, it's around 60 to 67. If you delay past FRA, your benefit grows about 8% per year until age 70. After 70, there is no further increase. So if your full retirement age benefit is, say, $2,000 per month, claiming at 62, you might only get around $1,400 a month. Wait until 70, you could get $2,480. That's a big difference, about 75% more per month. However, you have to wait 8 additional years to receive that higher benefit. Pros of claiming early, 62 to 66. Let's start with the case for claiming early. You get the money sooner. For some, starting checks right at 62 makes sense. Maybe you want to retire and enjoy life while you are younger and healthier. It can help if you need income. Not everyone has a big pension or enough savings to cover those first few years. Social Security can provide a financial cushion. If your health is poor, claiming early may maximize lifetime benefits. For example, if there is a chance you may not live into your 80s or 90s, taking money sooner may leave you better off. Peace of mind. Some clients tell me, I like having that guaranteed check, even if it is smaller. It makes me feel secure. And who knows if Social Security will even exist after 10 years. So claiming early isn't always a mistake. It can be a strategic choice depending on your situation. Cons of claiming early. But there are trade-offs. The downside of claiming early includes a permanent reduction. Claiming at 62 locks in a smaller check forever. There is a cost of living adjustment, but it's small. Lower survivor benefit. If you're married, your spouse's survivor benefit is based on what you were receiving. Claiming early means they may inherit a smaller benefit if you pass away first. Earnings penalty if you're still working. If you claim before full retirement age and you're still earning wages or self-employment income, some benefits may be withheld until later. Claiming at or after full retirement age eliminates earnings limit. Longevity risk. If you live a long life, 85, 90, even 95, claiming early could mean you miss out on thousands of dollars in benefits over time. So while early claiming feels good in the short run, the long-term math may not always work out in your favor. Pros of delaying 67 to 70 years. Now let's look at the case for waiting. Bigger monthly checks. Delaying can boost your benefit by 8% per year past full retirement age. Longevity protection. If you live a long life, delaying usually means more lifetime income. For healthy individuals, with longevity in their family, this can be a smart play. Stronger survivor benefits. Your spouse would inherit a higher check if you delay. Inflation protection. Social Security has cost of living adjustments. A bigger base benefit means bigger COLA increases over time. In other words, delaying is like buying longevity insurance. You're setting yourself up with higher income in your 80s and 90s when other resources might be stretched thinner. Cons of delaying. Of course, delaying isn't always perfect either. You have to bridge the gap. If you're not working, you'll need savings to cover expenses while you wait to claim your Social Security. Uncertainty about health. If you don't expect to live into your late 80s or beyond, delaying may not pay off. Emotional trade off. Some people would rather take the money and run because they value the security of income sooner. That's why this decision isn't purely financial, it's also personal. So, should you take Social Security early or wait? The answer depends on three key things: your health and longevity expectations, your other income sources and savings, your personal goals and peace of mind. My philosophy: run the numbers. Think about your life expectancy and consider how this decision fits into your whole retirement plan. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and share it with a friend who's wrestling with the same question. And if you'd like help making this decision as part of a full retirement income plan, I'd be happy to guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, everyone's situation is unique. What I've shared here is general education and not specific advice. If you'd like guidance tailored to your circumstances, talk to a qualified financial